Welcome back to this NBC 17 Precision Weather Alert Special, Preparing for the Storm. When severe weather threatens your family, you need to have a plan in place to protect yourselves and a plan for what happens after the storm hits. Having plenty of food and water is common knowledge, but there are a few things you may not have thought about that could make a big difference. NBC 17's Peter Kunish has more.
Well, hello, everyone. Let's move past the what if and go to the here it comes part of the hurricane safety. Let's say the storm is about a day away. A couple of things you can do. Make sure you fill up your car with gas because you're not sure when you'll be able to do that again. And while you're out, pick up some of the essentials. Food, water, also some cash is always handy. Clean up that lawn debris because the winds could use those as projectiles, and that just adds to your safety and the safety of those around you. As we talk about the windows, if you have shutters, go ahead and close them. That'll help protect the windows. And if you don't, that's okay. You can always use a little bit of plywood. Now, as we move back inside into the kitchen, we talked about picking up some of those essentials, the food, the water, the ice, etc. And then get some canned goods as well, because if the power does go out, those will obviously stick around a little bit longer. A couple of things to keep you informed. Make sure that television is on NBC 17. And if you have a portable radio, make sure you keep that handy, as well as fresh batteries. We talk about batteries off to the supply closet. Make sure you have some fresh batteries, some new batteries, some extra batteries. Keep a flashlight handy. And of course, don't forget that cash. One more thing, those personal documents, insurance papers, things of that nature, you want to make sure you have those around and in a plastic bag, because that way if there is some storm damage, those will be kept dry. Now we're going back outside, and of course, lots of dangers out there. For instance, when the storm arrives, many have downed power lines, obviously very dangerous, and it could take the power company some time to take care of that. Now, if you have to go driving, well, you just want to be careful and take it slow. Downed trees and flooding could cause the roads to be quite dangerous, and just a little bit of water can help sweep that car away. And of course, you don't want to be that person who has their car on our newscast. Now, that's just a few things to remember. You can get much more information on our website, NBC17.com. Use the keyword hurricane. Wes, back to you.
All right, thanks, Peter. It's important to keep in mind that when a storm is approaching, it can be tough to remember the simple things. For example, getting paid. Hopefully you're using direct deposit instead of a paper check. And keep that cell phone charged and ready. Even if cell service is out, you can probably still send a text message if need be. Just imagine if another Category 4 hurricane like Hazel slammed into the North Carolina coast and came calling on the Triangle. Coming up next, we show you the impact of the storm and how state and local officials are preparing for the worst.